Today we're going to be looking at the Sony shotgun microphone mic. I bought this for my Sony ZV-1 just because I thought it might be easy. I'm using a Rode Go mic right now, and it has a pretty good hum to it that I've got to try to take out when I'm editing my videos. So I'm going to see if this fixes that. I'm hoping it's going to be easy. It digitally connects without any wires. You can also use it with the mic connection if you want to use it with another camera. So let's open it up and see what we have here. Carrying case. This has definitely been opened before. Okay, warranty, all your Sony information. It's got the dead cat. Fits on the top. It's very small. It's very lightweight. It's something I was hoping for. So I'm going to go ahead and switch it on my camera right now and see if we can hear a difference. Okay, this is with the Sony microphone. So we'll test to see if there's any difference in the sound. I'm the same distance I was with the Rode mic. I'm using a Rode Go mic right now, and it has a pretty good hum to it that I've got to try to take out when I'm editing my videos. I like the sound of the Rodes without the hum. I really like Rode's mics in general, but that hum is annoying. And with the Sony, it has a crisp, clean sound without the depth, and I really like the ease of use and the size. Next week, we're going to take a look at the Sony ECM B10 mic camera, the big brother to the G1. That's what I have for this week. Take care. Have a great day. I will see you next week.